As some of you may know, I've been working on a universal receiver for an Xbox controller that allows it to be used with remote control cars. And I'm developing it in particular for this project, although it could be used with any other RC vehicle. But I've been developing this web interface that goes along with it. So this is actually connected right now to the Snowcat through the receiver that I made. In this web interface, we have access to all 16 channels. And we can do stuff like map our different functions to those individual channels. So as an example here, channel 5, I've set it up as opposing buttons. I'm going to use two of the buttons on the Xbox controller, the left D-pad button and the right D-pad button. And I want them to run at 100% when I press them. And I'm actually going to reverse the output. So if I go ahead and now save this to the receiver, I can grab my Xbox controller right here, and you can see that D-pad right swivels the blade right, and D-pad left swivels the blade left. I'm hoping to also add support for PS5 and PS4 controllers, but they work a little bit differently than Xbox. I'll have to test that out. The idea is definitely to be able to switch between controllers. So for example, I have a custom controller set up, and I can just flip a switch on the receiver, and then it switches over to this controller, and it boots into its own version of the customization UI. And I can do everything I did with the Xbox controller with this thing, which is pretty sweet. I am going to be making a custom PCB through PCBWay, who are sponsoring this video. The reason I need a custom PCB is because this is what we got right here. We got the ESP32, which is doing the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then that's sending it to this board, which converts it into PWM signals, which is the language that these motor controllers and the ones that control the actuators all speak. And so the circuit board will mount this guy together with my own custom version of this board, and make them into one nice, neat little package. And just while I was editing this video, PCBWay actually sent me pictures of my PCB ready to ship. They just wanted to make sure that everything was correct before they shipped it out, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, definitely check them out if you are interested in making any PCBs, and stay tuned for more videos on this stuff.